Good morning, friends. This is a Sunday morning video, and this is about a topic which is very interesting and how sometimes large investment banks try to quote unquote manipulate markets. Now I've heard of late that UBS, Macquarie, all these guys have downgraded RIL. Somebody has downgraded graded it to hold from buy. Somebody else is giving a target of 1300. And what I want to see is how many people believe them. These games are played by these large investment banks so that the stock corrects and they can make their clients enter at lower prices. I would much rather trust a Facebook, a Qualcomm, and all those sophisticated investors who have come in the last 3 months rather than these corrupt, you know, scam ridden investment banks. You know what all they did in 2008. So if you are hearing these reports, use this event to build position in RIL. You are getting an almost debt free company, which is a FANG stock, India's FANG stock. It is now there in all segments of industry. In the years to come, every rupee that you spend, probably 10 to 15 paise will go to Reliance. So all of these short term humbug style traders, which are these investment banks, every day they get rogered in the markets. They have been taking bearish positions for a long time. Every day the market moves against them. So just a small comment from me in this video is that do not believe in these crooked reports. A lot of RIL's valuation is based on what is likely to happen in the future. So yes, today it probably looks a bit expensive, but investors look into the future. If because of these silly reports Reliance does come down to about 2000 2050, it is again a buy. A lot of these people did not enter at lower levels, and now they want to bring the prices down. A lot of mutual funds didn't enter. A lot of these sophisticated investment bankers could not enter. So often these games are played to get you out of your position, and then they enter and they will upgrade the same stock soon at higher prices. So if you own Reliance, have been a holder of it, have bought it at any time in the last 3 months, the advice is stay put. This stock has just doubled once. I won't be surprised if it doubles several times from here. So that is the sort of confidence you have in this kind of a company where other companies are struggling. This is a company which is doing well in COVID times. It has the resilience to face hard times. It has the products which people need. Even your average Joe is selling more online than he was doing in a physical business. So if COVID, the main benefit of COVID has been that it has pushed everybody online. So, like what Demon did, pushed everybody into check transactions. COVID has pushed everyone into an online way of life. So, if Reliance Retail is coming online, Jio is going to support that. Facebook is involved with them. Google is involved with them. These stupid investment banks have got it all wrong. So that would be it for this video. I think Reliance next target could be easily 25-2600. It just needs to get past 2200, and on all declines just keep collecting Reliance. Like at some point people used to collect gold, and now we see where gold has gone. I remember there was a time gold was selling at 200 US dollars, and today it has gone past 2000. 200 US dollar was in the year 2000. In 10 years it has gone up 10 times. So instead of getting worried about this daily nitty gritty and he is downgrading and she is upgrading, just stay the course with Reliance, and you will get fairly strong returns. That should be it for this video. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.